Man, I'm hungry. Alright, we got food in the fridge. Go get you some. Alright, bet. You gonna come with me? Nah, I'm in the middle of a game right now. Alright, I'll wait for you then. Bro, just go get it. By myself, I'm not. Why? You scared? Yes, this your crib, not mine. I can't just go downstairs and start eating your food. Your mama gonna get mad and look at me like I'm a big fat ass hippopotamus eating all her groceries. Bro, no, she is not. You're like a second son to her. Man, no, cause your dog be barking at me too every time I walk past him. Just come with me real quick. No, bro, just go get it. You know what? Fine, I ain't even hungry no more. Supposed to be a guest in your crib. You over here treating me like a peasant.